What's going on, guys? Chad here at Marinemax Jupiter. As you can see, we're right across from the lighthouse. We're also next to 1000 North and Utiki. Now follow me to the back of the boat for the walkthrough video on this 320 Saxdor GTC. Starting off at the back of the boat here, you'll see it's supposed to cook with twin 300 horsepower V8 Mercury outboards. There's this nice bench seat that goes almost the width of the back of the boat. There's also a very cool table right here. It's teak. Now you'll see that the table's folded up, which has two cup holders here as well as two storage compartments. You can actually flip one or both of these down to extend the table, and actually reveals two more cup holders. Also in the back of the boat here, you have two fold down wings, which when you're pulling up to the sandbar, or if you're just hanging out in a certain area, you want more space on the back of the boat, you can drop both those down and it's going to extend the width of the boat back here and give you a lot more room. This is Saxdor's cabin boat, their GTC. You can be fully enclosed. There's this nice sliding glass door here, which I'm going to leave open. There's also a door on the port side, which you can close. So if you want to get out of the sun, maybe it's even a colder day for those people up north and you just want to be out of the weather, you can fully have this area sealed up. Starting on the port side back here, you have this nice white countertop with these chrome finishes. You can lift this up and it's going to reveal your sink as well as your hot top. Now underneath that, you have this nice cabin that has a sleek look. That's because Saxdor hid the latches here. You're gonna reach on the inside, easily open these up. And you have storage underneath here, as well as a storage spot for your fire extinguisher. On the starboard side, you have another teak table here, which can also fold up. You have a bench seat, as well as two captain's chairs here by the helm. You can sit around this table. Underneath the bench sheet, you have a fridge freezer combo. You also have a second fridge freezer combo up here on the port side. So if you want to separate your drinks, you want to put food in one, drinks in the other, you can separate them, or if you just need more storage. There's a third captain's chair here on the port side. Now at the helm, there's this beautiful acrylic dash. If you're Simrad Electronics, there's actually two screens here. Nice little spot for a wireless phone charger, two cup holders. Also with the technology in this boat, it's supposed to cook with joystick. And with the joystick, you also get Mercury's skyhook feature. Maybe you have to stop for a second, put dock lines out when you're going to the dock. Maybe you're waiting for a train bridge to open up. You can hit that button and it'll hold you in place. You also get heading hold here. This boat also has a bow thruster. So you're gonna have total control over this 32-foot boat with joystick and a bow thruster. Another cool feature here is the auto trim tabs. That's self-leveling. So maybe you have a lot of people on the boat, they're walking around, you can hit that and it'll just automatically self-level. You don't have to play around with the trim tabs. Now follow me down below for the berth. Now that we're down in the berth, you can see that this boat sleeps two people. I'm about 6 foot myself. And I have plenty of space here. There's a light on either side. Right here, right here. There's also a little lip right here where you can store some knickknacks or some smaller items. Now, in the direction I'm facing, this is actually the bathroom here. It's sealed off right now. You can open up the lever. This door actually has magnets on it and it'll hold itself together. To reveal the bathroom. There's a nice sink here, mirror, plenty of cabinet space. Now opening the bathroom door back up, you're gonna have a nice little storage compartment here. You can also use this as a closet. Now meet me up in the front of the boat. Now we're gonna finish off this video up here in the bow of the boat. You'll see there's this nice lounger right here that can fit two people. You also get two cup holders up here, as well as two JL audio speakers. So you'll be sitting up here, getting your tan on, enjoying the sunshine. You can have a nice holder for your drinks, still enjoy the music up here in the front. There's also this nice grab railing that goes almost the length of the front of the boat. Also, you'll notice there's these black holders here. This is actually for a sunshade, so you can plug in that sunshade if you don't want to be in the sun, but maybe you want a little bit better of a breeze, want to be up in the front of the boat, enjoy the nice scene. Now lastly, there's two cleats up here in the front. You can tie yourself off at the dock. You also have a hatch right here that's going to give you access to your windlass, or maybe you needed to pull bow into a slip. There's actually even a nice step right here, so you can step right off the boat. And that's going to wrap up our video today on Saxdor's 320 GTC.